Hello all. In this session, again we are going to continue with the module 1, that is introduction to the management. So, here the topic is management as a science, art or a profession. So we are considering management as a science or a art or a profession. So management is like a multiple factors which is affecting him, in which involves a study of monetary incentives of the workers' productivity. So if you're considering management as a science, so workers' productivity is also important, and also the incentives of workers' productivity, it will affect the study of the monetary. And also, because even though the different cultures may give rise to a different management practices, the cultures are very important here in the management practices, because every management practices are having their own different cultures, and that is finding are not accurate and dependable as those of the physical sciences. And also management can be put in a category of behavioral science and not a cultural bond, as we studied in the last point, that is their own different cultures are followed in the management. So definitely the behavioral science is going to applied are not the cultural bond. That means the culture bond will not be there, so it will be according to the behavioral science, that is the cultures are different according to the different management systems. And the management, but whereas in management it is not possible to study in management as the involves the study, so can't continue with the same type of manners in all the management systems, may it will requires a study. Techniques or theory concepts and principles remains the same, which lead to the conclusion that management did not differ to the country to country, which is true even in the field of natural sciences. Actually different to the country to country or a place to place, which is it will not differ. Like management things, the procedure, for example, planning, directing, controlling or staffing, so that system will be carried out throughout all the management systems. So because that is a procedure or a step by step to complete any task or any project in the company or in any enterprise. It may be a company with the big deal or with a small one and small enterprise, so that procedure should be followed. So this will be, it will not be a differ to company country to country, so it will be true even in the field of natural sciences. As the knowledge of management theory and principles, and it is a valuable kit of the manager, but it cannot replace with the managerial skills. And also it determine the objectives, seeks the alternatives and implement, coordinate, control, and also evaluate the information and making the decisions. So as I said, there is a procedure in the management system, that is planning, controlling, directing or a staffing. So same way that implement, coordinating, controlling to evaluate, the next step is evaluating the information, and next taking the decision. So, as the science considers the why the phenomenon, that is management is an art, is considered with understanding how a particular task can be completed. So, that is an art, like the one particular task, it may be a difficult one, a moderate one, or an easy one. So, the particular to complete that particular task, management has an art. The concern, it should be concerned with the art to accomplish the project or to complete that work. And also it involves art of getting things done through others in a dynamic and non-repetitive fashion, and has to constantly analyze the existing situation. So existing situation we need to analyze repeatedly, then we need to take a decisions in dynamic and non-repetitive fashions. Management as an art. Firstly, determine the objectives, like whatever the objectives we have, main objectives in the management, to seek the alternatives, implement and coordinate and control, to evaluate the information, and also at last making the decision. Art of getting things done through dynamic and non-repetitive fashion, so is as it is same as science also, that is management as a science. We consider this point also to analyze the existing situation. As a science considers why phenomenon of management as an art is concerned with understanding how particular task can be accomplished, which involves art. So as I told before, so the particular task, it is a different art to complete the particular task or a work in the system. As a knowledge of management theory and principle, it is a valuable kit of a manager to replace the some skills and qualities to be applied in the project. And practice which makes us consider management as an art, like the art of a musician or painter will be different to their different skills, and it can't be copied to any other. So they're different things, and if the person is expert in that particular the thing or any system, so that can't be copied with others. So that skills will be particularly going to have to that particular person. So the manager as an art, so that can't copy the skills of others. Management is a profession. So here there is no like a uniform code for conduct or licensing the manager. Just the entry of managerial jobs are not restricted here for the individuals with a special academic degree. And also that hence so management cannot be a profession, like only the degree, the managerial jobs, only specified degree is not there. So it is all like, and hence can't be a profession. Can anyone, can, if they're having a skill, so anyone can be get into this profession. And does not have a fixed norms, like any norms or a managerial behavior to become a good manager. Thank you. In the next session, we will see roles of the managers and also levels in the management. Levels in the management means like lower level, middle level, and higher level. So next, we are going to see roles and the levels of the management.